So if you're working on a sheet metal project and you're looking for a way to clamp your new patch panel in place on your project, we offer what we call a panel gripper. So these little things are machined out of steel, and the bottom part here is threaded. So basically, if you got your patch panel in place, say you're using Clecos, if you drill your holes right up on the edge of your patch panel, once you're done fitting your panel in place, you're done with the Clecos and you want to cut the edge of your panel out to be able to drop your new patch panel in and weld it in place. If you, like I said, drill the hole right on the edge, when you are ready to weld it in place, if you drop these little grippers on, then the backside threads onto the little wing nut on the gripper, and then if you have it overlapping, it will actually, when you tighten this up, it'll hold your panel in place and perfectly flush between your new and old panels. So to show you how that works, we'll remove the Clecos here. So say this was your new panel, and then you cut out the shape once you had it all fit. So this would drop on here like this. So then you just grab your panel gripper, and like I said, you drop the wing nut and the top side on, and then thread on the little bottom part. And then once you get a couple of these in place, they do a really great job of holding your panel flush. That way you can start tack welding your patch into your part that you're making. So we'll tighten these up. Go ahead and throw one more in here. And the cool part is that each one of these grippers has a 45-pound holding capacity. So they're extremely strong and can really hold your part in a way that it's not going to move. So, you know, if you were going to be tack welding all this in, I'd go ahead and throw the grippers in the rest of these holes just to make sure that all the different edges of your panel are nice and flush, you know, between the two sides. You can go ahead and tack weld them together. And then these use the same size hole as an 1/8" Cleco, so they can be used together. Like I said, just drill that hole right up on the edge and you're ready to go. So that's one of the cool uses for these grippers. Now, another thing I've used these grippers for is actually just to more solidly hold something together. So, you know, in a place where maybe you don't want a tall Cleco sticking out, like right here, I've used this to hold this upper cowl panel to the firewall panel. So I put some grippers in place here to really hold that together solidly before this all gets finally attached. So that's another use for them. And again, they can be used to hold a panel together before you're going to pull it out and weld two panels together, like an overlap, if you're spot welding structure together, that sort of thing. So for more information on these grippers, give us a call or visit our website at Trick-Tools.com, and we'll help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on high performance tools for the fabricator.